So how do you format the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so we can get started. It kind of depends on what you mean, but formatting literally means that you wipe the whole thing clean and start from basically give it like a new start to the device. So if you want to do that and fully reset the iPhone, you just go to your settings and make sure you find the general section, and at the bottom you can find the transfer or reset menu. Part of this, we can click on reset or erase all content and settings. And if you want to wipe it clean and format it fully to get to the first page of the iPhone, so literally like wipe it clean, your phone will basically look like this, that you start for the first time. It's going to give you the greeting, right? And you'll be able to start with the new setup, right? So if you want to get to this stage where you are picking the language and setting up the iPhone for the first time, then just tap on erase all content and settings and go through all of this. And as you can see, apps and data worth of 116 gigabytes on my device is going to be deleted. And that's how I can go through it. I can continue, confirm it, and the iPhone is going to be formatted fully. So that's what you probably have in mind. And yeah, that's how you can control it. If you mean some specific file deletion, you can always go to the Files app and just go to your local storage and perhaps even like delete everything like that, right? And remove things to the trash. Depends on what the goal is, right? But yeah, you will probably have the ability to make it go like this. So yeah, I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching. In case of any further questions, leave them below in the comments, but I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.